everyone, Cami is with you. And I'm a trader with more than 5 years of experience, and during this time I have had more than 9,000 transactions with an average win rate of 88%. During this time I have developed many strategies for stable income in trading, and today I will share with you one of my favorite and effective strategies. Friends, join my Telegram channel where I share free trading signals and personally answer your questions, helping you increase your income. Friends, before proceeding to the analysis of my strategy, I recommend to take a look at my previous video. There I also share other strategies that will help you earn more from trading. Today I will show you my strategy, which is based on two effective indicators, namely CCI and ADX. CCI shows how much the current price differs from the average, helping to identify moments when an asset is overbought or oversold, which may indicate a possible reversal. ADX, in turn, measures the strength of a trend. The higher the ADX value, the stronger the trend. Together, they help determine not only the direction of price movement, but also its power. For example, if the CCI line tends sharply upwards and the ADX lines are directed upwards, showing the trend of the trend, then this is a signal to increase. If all the lines together tend to lower values, then it is worth opening a trade to decrease. And now let's analyze everything using the example of real transactions. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we set the chart type, Heikin Ashi, set the time frames to 15 minutes, then turn on two indicators, CCI and ADX. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the Euro-USD currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute, and now let's move on to transactions. Today I will start with a small and affordable amount of $30. And now we go to the chart and see a small bearish candle and the beginning of a reversal of the chart to increase. The rollback of the chart begins, so I open a deal to increase. The deal was completed and my balance increased to $57. It cannot, but please let's move on. When I start the second trade, I notice a steady rise on the chart after several small corrections. Seeing a confident uptrend, I decide to open a deal for an increase in the amount of $57. Are you looking for a trading platform that will lead you to success? Pocket option is what you need. Every trade here is an opportunity to increase your profit. Fast withdrawals, transport transactions, and high returns make Pocket Option a reliable partner in the world of trading. I use this platform myself and confidently recommend it to you. Subscribe to my Telegram channel to receive the latest trading news and strategies, as well as bonuses. Together, we will reach new financial heights. The second transaction is also confidently completing as it began. Our balance is replenished and amounts to $110. And now we move on to the third transaction. I'm opening a deal for an increase in the amount of $100. As a confident uptrend is visible on the chart, the indicator lines begin their upward movement and we also see a reversal of the chart on the chart. These are our signals. Well, the transaction is completed and my balance is $202. So now let's move on to the last deal. Here's the last deal worth $182. There is a strong downward trend on the chart. The indicator lines are rapidly going down. The bearish candle continues to grow. I think this is enough to open a short trade. Yes, so our deal is over and we have reached the balance of $370. I think it's a good result for the day. Our strategy is coming to an end and all transactions have been successfully closed, which confirms us the effectiveness of my strategy. Friends, in the next video you will see the newest and most effective strategy in recent times, so rather go to my YouTube channel and watch my new video. Friends, I want to share something special with you. In my Telegram channel, I regularly post new and unique strategies that not only bring me profit but also help my subscribers. Join me, follow my signals and strategies, and together we will achieve great success in trading. See you soon, traders. Bye bye.